down.
Look at that. When we take off of this one, it's got a lot of holes. So there's a washer right there.
Tory, what are we up to today?
Wrenching away. We're doing a clutch cable. We're doing a primary chain tensioner. We're doing, what else is there? Some exhaust bolts.
Yeah.
We'll call it maintenance.
Well, we had a bit of an incident on our last ride. We had some squealing from the clutch. See down there. Hopefully it was just the chunks of the tensioner in there, but yeah. A little bit of maintenance, so to speak, on Big Blue. So we pulled the cable out. Tory, somehow we measured the cable wrong.
A little extra length.
Oh, that's fine.
Never hurt nobody.
And now just gotta remove that guy. Put this new one in the end there. We've got about 4 or 5 inches extra cable, but that's fine. We'll just route that through the frame. I think we'll be good.
Down,
This
baby.
piece here,
Come on.
like that. Stick it on there. Turn it over. I'm gonna take this.
That little clip in there, you got it. It's backed off the back there.
Just like that.
You know, watching YouTube videos at the same time we do this.
I got the one side out already. It's just...
This is the crux. Okay, snap rings out.
So now we need to grab a flat wrench.
Throw the new cable in.
I like this guy's idea.
I bet you this wouldn't happen if I use Loctite and torque specs, eh?
Probably.
There we go. We've been on about torque specs all day. Dustin showed up. We're already fixing his bags.
No such thing as torque specs over here.
So guys, the Villain to Hero Defenders, they do take some maintenance, and they don't exactly come dialed.
No.
But they do look sick, and we're getting them proper. It's just this little latch, getting this to engage properly. We had to lube that up pretty good.
And check the tightness of your bolts periodically. It might help. Too much fun riding.
And yeah, before anybody says it, we don't have a lift. It's a pretty small garage, so it is what it is at the moment. Having this fun today. All right, so we tensioner back in. I forgot to film all of that. Tory's having the time of his life with still a broken rib. How you doing down there, Tory?
Good. I love it.
How was Sturgis this year? Oh yeah, we didn't
It
go.
was excellent. I had a lot of friends there.
Looks great on YouTube.
They sent a lot of photos. It looked unreal.
Sam actually went, he said it was sick.
Okay, boys, what are we doing after this? Clutch adjustment?
Clutch adjustment.
Yeah, and then it's pretty much buttoned up. Just pull the derby cover off, adjust the clutch, and then we should be running.
We fixed up Dustin's bags too, put in some gaskets so these things are nice and quiet now. Not gonna rattle. That's been a big problem with these, is they rattle around, so we just added little mini gaskets there for the time being until we can make something cleaner. Those little guys will just live there.
That is good.
Much better.
Dump all your oil.
Filling her up. Watched a couple episodes of guys just saying to just keep it at a liter in most of these primaries. Just splashing the chain. We're not trying to give the whole thing a bath in there.
Tory would like it fully submerged.
Do not overfill it, Tory. We're all buttoned up. Just doing some cable routing.
Zip tie technician.
Zip tie tech. Nice. How was that, Tory?
Not bad.
Think we're good?
Seems like we might have it figured out.
There was some clutch engagement issues, but that's kind of stretching out now too, so we should be all right.
Fingers
And Big Blue ain't leaking.
Of course, I parked over an oil spill too.
I know, I made sure I didn't park right here.
Oh, I think it's good. Yeah, nothing's coming out of the. No, that's dry as a bone.
We can go hit Reese's spot too for tacos if you want.
Yeah, that place is pretty sweet
It's
too.
right over there. Yeah.
Where the hell is that? I haven't ate lunch yet.